This is a step-by-step guide to link your phone to PC. Alright, let's get started. First things first, picture it as a virtual portal, bridging the gap between your phone and computer. Once inside, choose between Android or iPhone. Fear not, my tech companions, as this enchanting guide embraces all. Now, let's sprinkle some tech fairy dust and sign in with your Microsoft account. It's like the secret key that unlocks the connection between your devices. Here's the secret sauce: make sure you use the same account on your phone too. It's like making them digital BFFs. But wait. A special treat awaits those wielding the magnificent Samsung or Honor devices. These lucky tech explorers will find a hidden gem: the link to Windows app. Imagine having this cool feature right on your phone. But don't worry if you don't have it, our tech journey will still work wonders. Let's dive deeper into the enchantment. Click that alluring checkbox within the phone link app on your PC, then choose Pair with QR code. It's a digital charm exclusively for Samsung users. Suddenly, a mystical QR code materializes on your PC screen like unlocking a secret treasure. Now, let's weave a digital spell. Retrieve your phone from its realm and venture into the sacred settings. There, you shall find the mystical link to Windows option. With a mere touch, toggle it on and tap the Add Computer incantation. Our devices are on the verge of uniting like a cosmic dance of technology. Behold the moment of conjuration: scanning the QR code. Align your phone's optical senses with the enigmatic QR code on your PC screen like magic. And behold, in the blink of an eye, a magical bond forms between your phone and PC, like two souls merging in perfect harmony. Now, with hearts pounding and digital spirits united, we move forward. Continue beckons us, followed by got it. Oh, how we've truly got it. With utmost confidence, we reach our digital crescendo. Done. Your phone and PC are now bonded like tech superheroes, an unbreakable alliance. Now that your phone and PC have become tech comrades, let's embark on an enchanting quest to explore the wonders bestowed upon us by the phone link application. Behold the marvels of technology. Marvel at the digital tapestry that unfolds before you: your cherished photos from your phone, now gracing your PC's expansive screen. It's like having your own mini photo gallery, filled with cherished memories. Prepare for tech command. All your treasured apps from your phone line up like digital soldiers on your PC. With a simple click of your mouse, you hold the power to interact with any app: the magic of technology at your fingertips. Connecting your phone to your PC using a phone link application can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your digital life. With the seamless integration between your devices, you have easy access to your phone's data right from your computer, making it more convenient to manage files, messages, and notifications, and all your phone's applications. As you can see, whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone who values efficient workflows, this technology can be a game changer. To open phone apps like settings on your PC, simply click on the corresponding app icon within the virtual phone representation. For instance, look for the Settings app icon and click on it with your mouse. Once you've opened the Settings app, you can use your mouse to navigate through its various options, just as you would on your actual phone. Click on different settings, adjust preferences, and explore the app's features, all from the comfort of your PC. Now, brace yourself for the grand finale: the astonishing screen mirroring feat. Behold the little phone icon, nestled at the top left corner of the phone link app on your PC. Click upon it and witness the magical transformation: your phone's screen mirrored on your computer. It's like experiencing digital wizardry. Congratulations, dear tech adventurers. You have triumphed in the quest to connect your phone to your PC using the extraordinary phone link app. Embrace the wonders of technology and let this magical connection enhance your digital life. If the video was helpful, subscribe. Meanwhile, go forth and explore the boundless horizon of possibilities. Your tech odyssey has only just begun.